well, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Today we got such an amazing job, you guys. So this job from the Disney website, you guys, Disney Careers, this job pays up to $180,000, you guys. It is super simple, super easy job. This job comes with full benefits. It is fully remote, and there is a bonus, you guys. So let's get into this job right now. And on this video, I am going to tell you guys exactly what you need to say, what you need to put on your resume. I'm also going to tell you in this video the titles that you need to change your resume to so that you can land this job and so that you can use your previous experience as experience for this job, okay, you guys? Because I want you guys to get this job. This job is too good to let go. So let's get into the video. But before we do, you guys are going to need the virtual resume rewrite session because we are going to go line by line, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly what to put into the virtual resume rewrite session so you can land this job. I will be reading your names off on my next shout outs of the day, and that is the goal, okay, you guys? All right, so go get the virtual resume rewrite session. This rewrite session, you guys, when I tell you you'll have a professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes, everything is already pre-written for you. It comes with the resume template as well and a tutorial teaching you how to tailor your resume, but everything is pre-written for you. Your bio, your summary, your job titles, everything is pre-written for you, including the experience. All you have to do is literally cut, copy, and paste, and you're ready to go. Cut, copy, paste, and tailor. Tweak it just a little bit, you guys, so no resume sounds the same. But let's get right into my shout outs of the day. These shout outs of the day are from people who have used the resume rewrite session and have landed their six-figure job. And for everyone who has landed a job, everyone who's emailed me, you guys, I will get to you guys. I promise, I promise, I promise. It's so many of you guys who have, gotten a job from the virtual resume rewrite session. I am so glad you took the leap of faith and you did it. Okay, so we got Miss Erica. Miss Erica is now a project manager, you guys. When I tell you I am so excited for her, she said she used the virtual resume rewrite session. She did pay in four. A lot of you guys are doing the pay in four, and that's why I put the pay in four there. And she said within a week of doing the pay in for you guys, she got an interview, and then 2 or 3 days later, they called her. She got the job. Okay, she is now a program manager. She now makes $174,000, you guys. Y'all give it up for Erica. We got Mr. David. Mr. David, he is a project manager now. He is a project manager now. He makes $164,000. He sent me an email. He said, Sam, you are blessed. No, David, I am not blessed. I am here to help. I'm here to push you guys. I'm here to motivate you, and I love it. Mr. David, he got his job for $164,000. And Benjamin, you guys, he rewrote his skills, you guys. He rewrote his skills using the virtual resume rewrite session, and he is now a project engineer. He makes $186,000, you guys. Y'all give it up for all of the shout outs of the day. Y'all keep going, and that is the inspiration of the day. Do not let anything or anybody stop you from being who you know you are. Keep going. Keep all the haters out your face. Keep all the negative comments to a minimum. You guys are blessed. You guys are wonderful. Keep going. Have the strength to keep going. Pray for the strength to keep going in this race, because one thing that I know for certain is that if you stop, you will never get there, you guys. So keep going. Even the strong tire out sometime, but they get back up. So the inspiration of the day is I will get back up, okay? All right, so let's jump into this video right now, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so what Disney is hiring for, they are hiring for a managers of the employee relations, you guys. Manager of the employees relations. And a lot of you guys, Sam, I don't have the experience. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to use the experience that I have already pre-written for you, okay? And then, like I said, when you get the job, most of these jobs have on site training, on the job training, guys, on the job training. So they will train you how to do their job. You need to have a professional resume. You need to have the experience on your resume for you to get your foot in so that you can land the job and get the training to actually do the job, okay? Is everyone following me? All right? So go get that virtual resume rewrite session and go rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience using my pre-written skills, experience, job titles, and everything, you guys. And it is super easy. It is pay in for, okay? Most of my clients are landing jobs within a week and a half because I use the pay in for option. Pay me later, go out and get this job, okay? So this is the manager employee relations job. Super simple, super easy, and let's get into it right now. As you can see, it says remote. It says this role is considered remote, which means the employee will work remotely on an ongoing basis and will not have an assigned workspace at a company designated location. Let's get into the job summary. It says Disney's employee relation function is responsible for engaging with employees and leaders at critical moments in the employee life cycle to ensure an equitable, inclusive, and respectful experience for all employees consistent with Disney's policies, values, and cultures. The manager employee relations ER will support Disney's general entertainment employee leaders and other stakeholders with expertise and services include leading workplace investigations, policy creation and interpretation, performance management, medical accommodations, workspace training, organizational change assessment, crisis response, case data analytic, and other workplace projects impacting the employee experience. The manager employee relations must be able to perform with work with little supervision, exhibit superb written and verbal communication skills, handle a wide range of complex and highly sensitive employment situations, and demonstrate strong emotional intelligence to skillfully interact with employees at all levels of the organization who have a wide range of experience and background, you guys. So basically, what they're saying is that you are going to be. I know you're looking for a job, but you are going to be in charge. If you get this job, you are going to be in charge of the HR. You're going to be in charge of other people's employee life cycle, you guys. You're going to be the HR. So you're going to be the one who is communicating with the employees. Say if they have a problem or anything like that, you are going to be the one that solves it, okay? This job is super simple, super easy. This is workplace training, all of that stuff. Super simple, super easy, and I know you guys can do it. So let's get into the responsibilities, what they're asking from you, and I am going to tell you exactly what you're going to put on your resume using the power words and phrases you can use, which is in my virtual resume rewrite session. And you guys, I'm going to tell you the title that you need to rename yourself on your previous jobs so that it looks as though you have the experience, okay? I'm going to give you those titles at the end of it. So stay tuned to the end. Go get your pen and paper, go get your virtual rewrite session, and let's get to work. Let's go, you guys. All right, you guys. So have your the power phrases you can use. I'm gonna go through this, and we're gonna go line by line. It says conduct complex and sensitive workplace and yes investigation with little supervision, including deeming appropriate investigation strategy, leading witness interviews and document interviews, and determining findings and recommendations for appropriate resolution. Investigation topics include, for example, discrimination, harassment, retaliation, theft, conflict of interest, and other policy violations. Partner collaboratively with HRBP's legal, global security, information security, management, audit, communications, diversity and inclusion, and other stakeholders to execute through investigation and influence decisions where appropriate. You are going to put for that one, you are going to put 3, which is stakeholder engagement and communication, and you're going to put team leadership and development. Look for those paragraphs. So paragraph 3 and paragraph 5 use all of the experience that I have pre-written for you, tweak it a little bit and put it back in, okay? Because that is what they're asking for. Okay, it says draft well-written investigation-related documents such as leader, HRBP talking points, written warnings, and case executive summaries with little supervision. So for that one, we are going to put number 14. Number 14 is presentation and facilitation skills. So you are going to put that in there, okay? Paragraph 14, which is presentation and facilitation skills. All right, so input cases into the ER database, case management system accurately and timely. You are going to put number 18, which is technical proficiency. All right. It says manage complex situations related to reasonable accommodation for individuals with disability and leave of absence. It says respond to employee complaints with federal, state, and local administrative agencies as needed. So you're going to put number 19 for that one, okay, you guys? All right. It says guide HRBPs on complex performance management issues, including conflict management and performance improvement plans. You're going to put number 8 for that one, and number 8 is problem solving and decision making, okay? And then promote knowledge and understanding of company policies and relevant employee laws through coaching, presentations, and training. You are going to use number 5 for that one, which is team leadership and development for that one. Okay. And then we're going to say for number, it says partner with on the review and assessment of organizational changes and reduction in force. We are going to put number 9, which is change management, you guys. The paragraph under change management, the experience. And then assist with the data reporting and analytics of ER cases for themes, trends, and root causes to provide insight and recommendation for decision making and ER risk prevention. For that one, you guys, you are going to put number 11, which is data analysis and reporting. And I also want you to put risk assessment and mitigation, which is paragraph 4, okay? Assist with ER project work and consultations related to creating an inclusive and respectful employee experience. I am going to put number 1, which is program planning and management, you guys. So those are the ones you're going to use. I'm going to tell you the paragraphs right now again. 3 and 5, 14, 18, 19, 8, 8, 5, 9, 11, and number 1, you guys. So you are going to use those skills. I'm going to read the skills off again. So those skills are stakeholder engagement and communication, team leadership. Number 14 is presentation and facilitation. Number 18 is technical proficiency. Number 19 is regulatory compliance and governance. Number 8 is problem solving and decision making. Number 5 is team leadership and development. Number 9 is change management. Number 11 is data analytics and reporting. And number 1 is program planning and management. That is what you're going to use for the experience. Now, as for the titles, I want you to change your titles to your previous jobs, okay, so that you can have the experience, and we'll get in that in a second. So what I want you to change it to is employee relations manager, a chief human resource officer, okay? So for your experience for your previous jobs, I gave you the experience, use the experience off the paragraphs, but I do want you to change your titles to those two, which is employee relations manager and a chief human resource officer. Literally, I have rewritten your resume right here online. You guys, if you don't have it, you need to go get that virtual resume rewrite session so that you can have a professional resume. When I tell you I gave you guys professional experience to put into your professional resume, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is paying for and it is pain free, thought free, everything. I have created you a professional resume on there. All right, so let's get down to the basic qualifications. Let's go. It says a minimum of 6 years human resource experience and or 5 years in employee relations required. Demonstrated experience leading a wide variety of complex employee investigations and providing employee relations consultations with little supervision. Excellent decision making, problem solving, critical thinking, and root cause analysis skills. Advanced understanding of employment and HR related laws, regulation, policies, principles, concepts, and practices. High emotional intelligence and strong people skills. I want you to mention that on your interview, okay? High intelligence and strong people skills. Experience in managing diversity and inclusion topics. Ability to handle highly sensitive and confidential matters with compassion and equity. Ability to work collaboratively, lead and influence at all levels within the organization. Experience working with senior executives in an influence without authority role. Ability to position self as credible, proactive, and a trusted thought partner. Independent work style, balancing the need for collaboration with minimal supervision. Ability to manage multiple projects with strong time management and prioritization skills. Excellent verbal and written communication and presentation skills. That's what I told you guys. Use all of the experience. Use all of the experience that I give you guys on the virtual resume rewrite session so that you can land this job. If you use all of the experience on there, there should be absolutely no reason why you shouldn't get an interview for this job, okay? Use all of the experience on there. And I'm going to keep telling you guys because when I tell you everything that they have asked you for, I have given you the experience, the job titles, the professional bio. It is already written for you. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, and you're ready to go. You're out the door, okay? All right, so let's go to preferred qualifications. It says preferred qualifications not required. It says TV production experience located within the NY area for occasional travel to the NY office. Required education, a bachelor's degree. So that is required, okay? And it says the hiring range for this remote position is 122,000. It starts off at 122,000 and it goes all the way up to $180,000, you guys. You guys go get that virtual resume rewrite session and go get to work. I have literally told you everything that you need. In the virtual rewrite session, you have a professional summary, you have professional experience. You will not be able to get this job with a basic resume, you guys. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. I've given you the paragraphs. This is a no think kit, okay? I want this job for you guys, and I sincerely want to see you succeed because when I tell you, I love, love, love getting those emails from you guys about your successes. I absolutely love hearing it, you guys. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Like I said, it is a no thinking, no thought, copy and paste kit. Copy, paste, and tweak kit, you guys, so that you can land these six-figure jobs. You guys have such a blessed, wonderful, amazing day. Remember to pour into yourselves because if you do not pour into yourself, nobody will. Okay, you guys have such a great, amazing, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.